Hello, and welcome to another in the short series of videos designed to show you how to use the Solibooks Client and Office Accounting System. In this video, we're going to look at the month-end procedures and the typical reports that you would run at the end of every month, together with an actual month-end clear down. So if we look at the reports menu, at the end of the month, you would always run a selection listing. So if I choose selection listing, and we always choose the default because we want to print off a list of all the clients and matters together with their current balance. So I simply click start, and that's done, and that's there ready for me to save. And I can save this where I like. I can print it out, or I can email it to somebody. The next report we'd look at on the reports menu would be the monthly bills. So if I tick monthly bills. Now, as I said in an earlier video, we're currently at the end of July. So the period that we're just closing down for is from the 1st of July. And I'll just leave the to date to be wherever we are now, because we've not posted past the end of the month. And now if I click start, again that's produced the monthly bills, so it will show me all the bills that are outstanding prior to this period. The second page shows me all the bills that have been posted this month, together with in the outstanding column whether they're outstanding or not. And obviously, as we saw in an earlier video, we've then got the totals by fee earner, work category, and monthly by fee earner for the year. So that's the month ends report. Okay, then exit. It's always useful to do a checkout report. Now this only takes a couple of seconds, but at the end of the month it puts your mind at rest that you've not had any problems during the month, you've not had a power cut or anything like that, and the system is still in balance. And it's always a nice reference point to come back to if, during the month you do have problems. And again, you can print that off and save it, or just save the PDF anywhere on your machine. So again, on the reports menu, you can do other reports like list nominal accounts, check client balances, print all nominals, etc. But they're the ones you should do at the end of every month. Now once I've done that, to do the month end, I click on month end and choose month end. Now at the end of the month, or even at the end of the year, you must do the VAT clear down last. So I'll choose month end, and I want to clear down up to the 1st of the 8th. And clear down. So that's going through now, that's cleared all the transactions and it's done the report for me. I can come out of that. So that's cleared down for me at the end of the month. And if it was a VAT period, I could know the VAT clear down. So when I come out of that and go back into month end and choose VAT clear down. So again, I can put in the 1st of the 8th and click clear VAT. Right, and that's the VAT clear down done. Now on the VAT clear down, we actually clear down some of the internal accounts at the same time, just to keep the system nice and tidy. So as you can see on the first page, we've cleared down the costs account. On the second page, we've cleared down the disbursement control account. And on the third page, we've cleared down any entries off the office control account. And finally, we've got the VAT control account. And as you can see, all the VAT transactions are listed on here. And at the end, we've got the figures that we need for the VAT return. One of the features that we're going to be adding fairly soon will be the ability to link into the HMLR and pay the VAT directly from the system. So that's done now. If I do a nominal inquiry on 99.50, now this is the VAT liability account, you can see that the system's just made 2 postings to this account, and it's showing you the input and output figures that you would have put on your VAT return. Now you can't post direct to 8900, which is the VAT account, but you can post to this. So if you needed to make any adjustments during the month that weren't going through the VAT account, you could post them directly to this account. Now as well as that, when it's time to post the cheque to the VAT people, you would post it to this account as well. The idea obviously being that you would bring this account down to 0. Okay, and that's it for the month end. Alright, thank you very much.